Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. Today you will be seeing roses painting freehand on Mangalagiri Saree. Those interested in learning freehand painting and order works can order me. My details are in this video and below this video in description. For more information, do see my website link in the description and in about. I have taken metallic red for the roses, the self color of the saree. These are one stroke roses with round brush. I teach freehand painting oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oragata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. I have basic and advanced courses starting from 1000 onwards. This is the front design of the saree and in the end you will be seeing the pallu design. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques and tutorials. Keep watching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.